Today we talk about how to make iPhone speakers louder. First, adjust the equalizer setting on your iPhone. 1. Tap on the setting app icon to open it and access the setting menu. 2. Tap on the music option, which is represented by a blue and pink musical note icon typically found towards the middle of the screen. 3. From your music setting menu, navigate to the playback section. Look for the equalizer option, which should be towards the bottom of the screen. Tap on equalizer to access a list of equalizer presets that can be applied to your music playback. 4. Scroll down and select the late night present. You will see a blue check mark appear next to the selected option. The late night present is designed to amplify the equalizer part of the music played on your iPhone, making it easier for you to hear what's happening in a song. 5. Press the back button, which is represented by a blue backward arrow icon in the upper left corner of your screen. Doing so will save your newly adjusted equalizer setting and return you to the music menu.